So dear subscribers, that will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone Wi-Fi calling not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just tap on Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Another thing you can try, just tap on your Wi-Fi network, just choose here forget this network and just submit forgetting this network. So after just connect again to this network. So another thing you can try, just find here general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. And the latest option you can try to update your iPhone. So just find in the general software update, just tap on it. Just if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.